Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They're deceived with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Okay guys, so I got a Ruckus into the shop. So here's a little bit of background. This person has been around the channel for a long time, has been asking if I could do the valves for him. I referred him to Ruck City. Ruck City said, hey, why don't you ask Caesar? He asked me, he told me he said that, so I figure that's cool to go ahead and do it. I don't want to tread on anyone's feet with a particular territory, because I'm not exactly a shop, but I guess I am doing some work here and there now. Anyways, for this particular bike, we had to do a valve job, and while I did the valve job, I also did a CARB cleaning and then went ahead and stripped all the plastics off, did a cleaning all underneath, which you just saw in the intro to this video, and then I put it back together and it looks beautiful. Now, the only thing that's modified on here so far is I snuck on a pair of end caps that I made here, which is a product that I'll be selling soon, but after I perfect it. But yeah, see? And then there's some caps down here, but I just haven't put them on here yet. But yeah, so this is a Honda Ruckus that's completely stock. And he had it at about 7,000 miles, so he wanted to go ahead and follow the service manual and get that done. So, of course, here we go. I love how quickly it starts. And you know what's awesome is I know that I always like loud, but like it's incredibly quiet. And this is the first time I've ever super rode a Ruckus around that was stock before. So it doesn't have a license plate. I guess it's being licensed or titled right now, so I just wanted to kind of ride it up and down the street. I did show it to my brother. He's the one who helped me work on this, and I'm in love, man. I'm in love with a stock Ruckus. I really am. I want to get one, and just like leave it stock and use it to like go back and forth to like the gas station or something. So yeah, it's about 7,000. It needed a little bit of a exhaust valve adjustment on here. I can't really go very far, but yeah, I needed an exhaust valve adjustment, so that was done. And the CARB did have a ton of buildup on the inside, so I did a CARB cleaner soak overnight. It got about 24 hours soaking, and she seems to be running in tip-top shape. I understand why the acceleration isn't much desirable, but I'm doing a little bit of a semi-tuck. Got it to about 35. Oh yeah, drum brakes everywhere. Slow down, Caesar. Gotta be careful. Anyways, yeah, so I just wanted to get a little bit of for posterity's sake. This is the first time I've ever ridden a stock Ruckus. Thank you, Josh, for bringing this in and letting me do your maintenance work on here. It was fun and enjoyable. I had all the parts already anyway, because technically I'm supposed to be working on the other Ruckus, the not dilapidated, I wanted to say dilapidated, the neglected Ruckus, but this came in instead, so we went ahead and got work done on it. Not a ton of content here today. I just wanted to share that I want a stock Ruckus. I really do. I may, well, see, now here I go already. Hadn't even started anything yet, and I already talking about it, but like I already wanted, I'd just do like a seat frame, right? I would just do a seat frame and maybe some bars, and that would be it. Although I do like the height of it all. But yeah, it looks great. It looks great. I'm so happy that I got to work on one. Anyways, thought I'd share. Thanks everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see everybody in the next video.